Did I just hear you say that this is because you're black?
Yes, sir.
No.
Yes, it is.
You want to listen?
今夜駐車場で些細な違反が大きな騒動へと変わる。警察が目にしたのは障害者スペースに駐車された車。フロントに許可証は見当たらない。ここは許可証のある人だけが止められます。静かな注意から全ては始まった。
Do you have a handicap placard? Does anyone in this vehicle have a handicap placard? It's a yes or no question. Does anyone in the vehicle have a handicap placard? I'm going to take that as a no.
Okay. No.
Right. Do you have, are you the one driving? Have your driver's license.
My driver's license came with handicap sticker.
This is your vehicle?
Yeah.
Your driver's license.
Yeah.
Do you?
I have an ID.
ID?
Ma'am, can I ask you a question?
What?
Because
We're requesting 4331 response for a mulch fire by the Gate Boulevard. Inside requesting 4331 for a mulch fire.
I understand, but
I don't know what are you wanting?
because you're probably going to have to take me to jail.
Do you have a warrant?
Yes, ma'am. I think so.
Okay. What's your warrant for?
And for traffic tickets,
Okay. Do you know how much your bond is?
$900.
900? Okay. And I guess you don't have $900. Okay. This is your mom?
That's my grandmother.
Your grandma?
But my kids are going to go to DCFS. I got a DCFS case already. So if you take me to jail, my kids are going straight to DCFS. She can't take my kids. So I'm just letting you know now.
Why can't she take your kids?
My grandmother has... She can't take my kids. I got an infant.
4305.
I got 3 toddlers. I'm trying to tell you, my grandmother can't take my kids. I'm already down to tell you the rundown on what's going on. I'm going to call my caseworker just to let her know, but...
Well, I don't know how to hotline DCFS.
No, that's what's going to happen. She can't take my kids.
Sorry about that.
Have
Wasn't
somebody
sure
come
which
pick your kids up.
I don't
page
have
you're just set off.
nobody. I don't have nobody. That's why I came up here to get wipes from her. I stay in a shelter in East St. Louis.
Okay. If you come up and get wipes, that's fine. Don't park in a handicap spot.
Yes,
It's
ma'am.
not for you.
Yes, ma'am.
Go ahead, 25812.
Ma'am, do you have someone you can call to come get her kids? Okay, who have you gotten hold of to come get the kids? I know you've made a couple of phone calls. Who have you gotten hold of?
Nobody. It's after it's on the weekend.
Okay, so it's just DCFS you're trying to get hold of?
One Hope United. It's an office and it's like the step in between DCFS. It's called One Hope United in Collinsville.
Okay.
And I called them, but they're not answering
Okay.
because they're not open on weekends.
Besides your grandma, who else in your family lives around
Don't
here?
have nobody else.
You got a lot of issues going on here. You have a suspended driver's license. I'm going to bet you probably don't have insurance either, do you?
I just got my car. This is like my first day driving, and I just came up here just to get some wipes because I didn't have no money.
All right, keep seeing if you can make some phone calls, figure something
I know
out.
I can. So,
Okay. And by the way, your bond's 800, not 900.
oh well, my caseworker, she actually told me 900.
Well, she was off. It's 800. My
Okay.
dispatcher just told me, okay?
I mean, well, we ain't got $800. So
Okay.
I mean,
All right. How come you haven't gone to the courthouse and talked to them about your warrant?
I had court actually earlier this month, and I didn't go to court because they were going to take me to jail at court.
Okay.
And so
a lot of
I
times,
didn't have an arrangement yet to get my kids
well,
to something.
you got to get this taken care of because a lot of times they can give you a new court date.
No, because
you're-
what happened was they kind of put everything that I had all together. They already gave me new court dates. It's like stuff from like 3 years ago.
Is it a failure to appear warrant or is it new charges?
New charges over the years, over the last 3 years.
Okay, yeah. Go ahead and stand over by your vehicle, okay? I don't want people back behind my door.
Excuse me, ma'am. Should I grab their car seats to put in your car?
Put them in their car seats in your car. Put them in their car seats in your car. Are you listening to me? Put them in their car seats in your car.
No, because she doesn't want to actually have time to figure out what the they want to do with the damn kids.
Excuse me.
That's what it really is.
Just hold it down.
Did I just hear you say that this is because you're black?
Yes, sir.
No.
Yes, it is.
You want to listen to me?
Lady, how many more people are parked in handicap? Don't touch me. How many more people are putting in handicap without a handicap sticker? I didn't even go inside the store. Only because you're white, not black. Don't raise your voice at me.
Do you want to listen to
It's because you're white, not black. I didn't even go in the store. I'm parked in handicap because I was getting something from my grandmother white.
運転席の女性は動揺する。私が黒人だから止めたんでしょう。警官は否定する。理由は一つ。障害者スペースの違反です。
I'm sorry, I'm just a bystander, but I'm fostering her with DCFS, and I can tell you, like, all this is not worth it.
You've already got a DCFS case.
Listen to her.
Listen to her.
So, figure out what the fuck you're gonna do with my kids then, because that's your job. You didn't have to stop. Why did you stop?
Hey, but listen.
Why did you stop?
I can answer your question if you shut
Because
up
you
and
heard
stop
what I said.
yelling.
Let her talk.
That's okay.
Do you want to listen to me?
All this can
Do you want to listen to what I have to say?
I don't. What I do.
I will tell your
Yes,
grand.
tell me.
What
Tell
I
me.
say.
Okay,
Ma'am,
tell me.
Let me just-
I am not going to take her to jail.
That's what I just told you. I just told you that.
Wait.
No.
You're only not taking me to jail
What
because you don't know
about
what the
the
fuck.
kids,
That's why
Ardenay?
she ain't taking me to
What
jail.
about the
That's
kids?
why she not taking me to jail.
No.
Because that means you gotta figure out what's going to happen to my kids.
No.
Yeah, she is so inappropriate.
She is.
And this has zero to do with being black.
I know that.
She's in a handicapped spot. You have a handicapped placard because you need a handicapped
And she
placard.
only see her
Okay, so
And so,
did you hear her? She said something derogatory about you. So I guess maybe that's why you stopped. You told her she had.
no.
Oh, you didn't hear that?
I never heard a single word.
Okay.
Yeah, I didn't hear a single word. I stopped because as I'm driving through, I looked over and I was like, there's no handicap placard on there. I backed up. I didn't even get out of my car. I just said, do you have a handicap placard? So no, this has zero to do with race. Okay? This has 100% to do with a handicap parking violation. Okay? Now, she was a warrant for her arrest. Yeah, I can take her to jail. Yeah, I can put her kids in DCFS. I elected not to do that. If this was about race, she would be in handcuffs right now. It's not about race. Okay? So she's going to get a ticket for parking in a handicapped spot.
There are other cars up here that don't have a handicap sticker. She only did this because I'm black and she's white, got a control, and she got power. That's literally the only reason. It is a race thing. You don't gotta try to make it, but that's what it is. They go run the place so everybody up here in handicap. This is not a race thing. This is not a race thing. Check everybody up here who's parked their handicap.
Do you want to get this finished up, or do you want to just stand here and yell all night?
Listen.
It's all right. Do your job.
Okay.
I am doing my job. I'm giving you a ticket for your handicap
That's
violation.
it. That's
Okay?
it. You can
I'm
take-
not
you
even
can go
taking
home.
you to jail.
Do your job. Take me to jail.
Take your ticket.
Take me to jail.
No.
Take me to jail.
No. Ma'am, you got kids right here.
Take me to jail.
Listen, do you not want your kids
Why you don't want to take me to jail?
home?
Because I got a warrant. So that's
You
your job.
talk too much, Ardenay.
I understand all of that. That's
No,
fine.
you don't.
You know what? You've already got a DCFS case.
Like I
Here's
said,
a DCFS
take me to
worker.
jail. Take me
She
to jail.
don't
That's
want
your
to,
job.
Ardenay.
Because she don't know what to do with my
No.
kids if they take me to jail.
Oh, I get it.
Then do your job.
No, listen. Ardenay, the last thing you want is your kids and your sister. It could be worse than.
Like I said, so to run everybody car up here that's parked in
Let her
handicap.
do her job. So when she finishes with you,
If that's your job is to run everybody handicap
and
up
then
here,
let her finish
then
her
run
job.
everybody shit up here that's parked in handicap.
Just take your ticket.
Is that what you finna do when you leave me? Because that better be what the f you finna do. And you finna run everybody shit up here?
Take your ticket and
Are you
leave.
finna run everybody shit up
Ardenay,
here?
just go home. Just go home.
Don't worry about it.
Take the kids and
Take
go
your chance
home.
to walk away right now.
You
Okay?
ain't done talking to you.
Ardenay, please, for the love of God, would you please just go home?
Listen.
No, I'm not.
No.
I'm sorry.
I am not going home.
you're
Just
losing
go
to your
home.
grandma.
Take the kids
Your
and
grandma's-
go home.
I ain't talking to you.
Ardenay, would you
It's not
please
necessary.
stop?
It's not
Yourself into
necessary.
going to jail, and these kids will have to go to DCFS because there's no one that can take them.
She's trying to give you a break here to take the ticket
No, she
and get
didn't
out of here
stop.
before.
I didn't even go to the
Listen,
store.
警官は繰り返し促す。切符を受け取って帰りましょう。しかし女性は拒む。車への接近、接触、抵抗の動き。やがて緊張は身柄確保へと進む。
just because
I
you
pulled up right here just to get some white from my granny.
She said
Because
go
she's parked in
home.
handicap. I pulled right next to her
Okay,
car.
I'm fixing to call grandfather.
just because you don't like how something went.
I'm telling you, grandmother, you don't have to.
But you
don't
making
have to
it-
stay here, grandmother. You can go
No,
home.
no,
I'm not.
Because
I'm
you
not
ain't got to
taking
be there with your kids.
I'm ready to.
Listen, you
Are
have
you going to take this or not? Or I'll put it inside your vehicle.
Be careful.
Excuse me, Ivory. Excuse me, ma'am. Don't touch my vehicle. I'm not touching it.
Then put it under the. All right, listen.
You are getting real close.
Give me the baby.
Lady, you touching me.
Can I hold your baby? Yeah, can I hold your baby?
There we go.
And you might want to call someone to drive you because you've got a suspended driver's license. You have no insurance.
Then you might as well take me to jail then. Duh, how the f I'm gonna get home?
Take
You
the
don't make
metro.
no.
Take the bus.
You
Take
just
the
sound
bus.
Call
stupid.
Grace.
You
I'll
just
call
sound
Grace.
stupid as
And you
I
need to
just told
stop
you, I came all the
cussing.
way up here because I ain't got
Stop
no
cussing, Ardenay.
I'm sorry, grandmother.
No, you're not.
Please leave
You're
it there.
disrespecting
No.
me.
Grandmother, that's
You're
what I'm trying
making
to
me
tell
look
you. Okay.
really, really bad.
I'm sorry.
No.
She's good.
This white.
Ma'am.
It's not
It's a white people shit. Y'all want to be on
This
this
has
white
nothing
people
to do
shit.
with race.
Yes, it do. Like I said, they run everybody.
Okay.
They don't even have a.
That is part of
They
our
don't
job.
have one right there. That black
Well,
people
that's what
are
we're
right
going to go
there.
to next. Okay, let us do our job, okay?
Is he something
What you talking about?
He's a grandfather.
well, if he's able to drive?
Yeah, he can drive the car.
And he can drive her car?
Yeah.
I'm not gonna let no white racist ass shit happen.
Okay.
Y'all doing this shit because I'm
Now,
black.
Ardenae, the stuff
All right,
you're saying
Ardenae.
is not true. You're just
Yeah,
saying
Trifling
that.
ass piece of
You-
white people
why don't
shit.
you stop?
No what?
You know what?
Cause it's not right.
It's not right what you doing.
Okay, but what she did is right, grandmother.
But she's a law.
It doesn't matter.
It does.
Fuck her, fuck her bad.
Put your hands
Fuck
behind
that.
Put your hands behind your back. You want to go to jail, you're going to jail.
I don't want your kids to see you in handcuffs, Ardenae. This is not what happened.
Oh, this is white people shit.
No, it's not.
No, this is you bringing
It
this
is
on
not.
yourself.
I tried to catch your break. I tried to let you go
You
home
didn't
with
have
your
to
kids.
stop. Like I said, I have two sets of keys. Can you get the ones on my fanny pack?
All right, Grandma can get the ones out of your fanny pack
Grandma,
for you.
I need them so I can get to drive my car when I get out of jail and take my
Where the
keys.
keys
And
are?
how y'all gonna get their car seats?
Grandma's here. Your
No,
grandpa's on
she's
his
not.
way.
She's not. They can't take them. My grandfather doesn't know how to watch kids. Can't do nothing with my kids. So my kids have to come with me.
Your kids can't go to
Kids
jail.
can't go
They
to the
have to.
county.
They have no choice because that means y'all.
They're not going to county.
Yes, they are.
No, they're not.
They're not.
This is what I
Then y'all
want.
gonna call DCFS.
That's why you're not listening as to what.
That means DCFS is gonna come get my kids. My kids cannot stay here with my grandmother. They're not staying here.
So can
So where's the keys?
What are you doing?
Ardenae, where's the
What are
keys at?
Stop.
please stop. Listen,
Just give me my kids, bro.
Your kids are not going to jail.
Stop.
I'm not trying to get
Stop.
Where's the keys
Your
at?
kids are not going to
I'm
jail.
trying to tell her. Get off
Okay.
me.
No, you keep trying to push
Just want
against.
you to tell me
Okay.
where the
It's
keys
the big
are.
fluffy thing. Grandmother.
The what?
It's the big fluffy thing.
Oh God, this is so stupid. All you
is.
had to do was just
You're her
leave.
grandma?
Yes.
Okay.
No, grandmother,
Good.
because
Okay,
it's
you can
not
take us to
right.
the kids.
It doesn't matter right
She's
now
not
what's
my
right
grandmother,
or
so I'm telling
wrong.
you, she's not
Doesn't
my
matter.
grandmother, so
Okay.
she can't take my kids.
Please stop
She's
resisting.
not my grandmother.
Please stop
so she cannot
resisting.
take my
You
kids.
saying I'm not your grandmother?
Because they don't.
Are you saying I'm not your
This is
grandmother?
on camera, so I'm telling y'all that y'all are leaving my kids with a stranger.
Okay, well your grandfather's coming then. How about that?
Y'all cannot leave my kids with people that they don't
You're
know.
going to pick up a resisting charge if you don't
I
start
don't care
walking.
'cause y'all leaving my kids with strangers.
No, we're not.
but they're not gonna leave your kids with strangers.
Let's go.
You want my driver's license?
Yes, I know.
ここでもう一度だけ伝える。障害者スペースは必要な人の移動の命綱だ。違反は誰かの通院や生活を奪うことにつながる。だからこそ警察は確認し是正する義務がある。人種ではなく行為を見る。
Sit down. Stop resisting. Stop. You don't try to bite me. Do not try to bite me.
Do not bite.
Do not try to bite me.
Do not. Ardenae!
Now she's going to go for a felony charge.
Yep.
Stop.
You're about to get tased.
Can I get
You're
back
about to
out?
get tased.
Can I please get out? I'm changing my mind. Can I please get out?
We cannot.
Can I please get out and
Please,
go home?
Ardenae.
Can I please get out and go home?
For your mother, if nothing else, for your mother, would you
Bring my
stop?
mom in this.
Yes, she's in this.
Can I please go home?
Not now, you're not.
Please. Can I please go home? Because my kids are going.
I gave you that opportunity.
Ma'am, I didn't
How do
understand
I
why
get
you
this
even
car to
stopped
start,
me.
Ardenae? How do I
You
get
didn't
this
even
car
see
to
you
start?
understand it or
Ardenae.
not. Can I please go home?
I'm
You
gonna
had
press
your
that point.
opportunity.
Can I please go home?
No, you had the chance. I tried to give you a chance. You refused the chance. Now you're going to jail, and now you're going to be looking at a felony charge.
I can't get a felony charge.
You're looking at a felony charge. You kicked this officer?
I didn't mean to.
Yes, you
You didn't
did.
mean to.
And you
No, because
attempted
he was
to bite
trying
him
to.
repeatedly.
I didn't try to bite. I don't even got teeth in my mouth, ma'am.
Well,
Yes, you
it's all
did.
on my camera, so you tried to bite me, so.
That's why I was kicking. I was trying to get my legs stuck out of there.
You
I
were
wasn't
kicking the
trying
crap
to
out of the door.
I wasn't trying to kick
Okay.
that. I was trying to get my legs from entangled in this thing.
Well, we're going to talk about it because I'm going to give you a chance to make a statement. But it means that you're going to stay at RPD until Monday, and this case will be reviewed by the state's attorney's office to see if they charge you with felony aggravated battery to a peace officer or not.
その結果、子供たちは祖父母の保護へ。女性には警察官への加重暴行、公務執行の妨害、そして他の州の逮捕状による手続きが課される見込みとなった。最後に、一つの違反をどこで止めるかはあなたの選択でもある。もしあなたなら誰を守り、どの言葉で事態を引き戻すだろうか。